Okay, here with Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal. We're here today at a residential house in St. Thomas, Ontario. We have a flat roof leak, and we're also going to clean the Eavestrough. It's fall season, so it's a good time to do it before the winter and snow starts build up. The flat roof leak, it's a little bit tricky. There have been other people trying to find the leak, and I think I found it. It's higher than the roof area, which is why this one was tricky. Again, also we'll do the Eavestrough, we'll do a cleaning, we'll blow it with the shop vac, and then we will vacuum the trough with the shop vac. So we'll show you what it looks like. Thanks. Okay, we've come up to the roof. You can see the roof behind me. There's the flat roof. And there's some areas that are suspect, but I think what's going on, I'll show you what's going on in this pole here. We have a pole going through the vinyl siding. And the J trim, it has some spacing around there where water's getting in. I did a water test earlier, a few days ago, so it's had time to dry, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so you can see there's been a lot of mastic repair around that area. And so I did a water test, and what's happening, we have water coming in here, behind behind this wooden post, which maybe was a fence at one time. And when the water comes, it will hit and then get in behind the siding and down into the garage underneath. So there we go. There's the repair today. Again, it's not at the roof level. It's a little bit higher, so it took a lot of time to find it. And you can see a lot of repairs being tried at the bottom at the roof level, but we are a little higher. So I'm going to put some sealant, and then I'm going to put some all sands there, and then I'm also going to do a repair to the base. Make sure that's all nice and tight. So I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, so we finished sealing it. Unless you have a perfect match, see, this is painted, so it's hard to get a perfect match for caulking. You really want to use clear, so there's not a huge contrast. It is on the street side of the house, so just keep it a little clean. So we use clear sealant along the top here, right behind the J trim, and then we also, so that tucks it to the siding here. I'm going to put mastic, since there's already black mastic down. I'm going to use more black mastic because I know there's a pinhole. I found it when I was doing the water test earlier, a couple days ago. So I'm going to put mastic here. We're going to cover the base, and she should be sealed. Also want to show you one more thing. Another part of the scope is to clean out the Eavestrough. You can see the Eavestrough is full of leaves. We have a large tree here beside us. So we're going to get the shop vac, and we are going to clean out this Eavestrough. We'll show you what it looks like when we come back. Thanks. Okay, so we're vacuuming the trough here at the back, and we're just getting leaves out of the trough. There's a large tree above us, so all year long when it's fall time, this will fall the trough. Again, we just use the shop vac, it's safer for the guys and everything else. We got a tree trying to come behind us. Anyway, I just want to show you what it looks like if you have trough issues. We'd love to help. Okay, Legacy Flat Roof and Sheet Metal, you saw the job, pretty straightforward. We had the wood blocking on the siding sealed around. You also remember how messy this trough was. We did a water test and it came out pretty nice. We did the vacuum shop vac. Again, you don't have to go on the ladder. It's safe for everybody, safe for the homeowner. We're not damaging the trough, and also safe for us doing the work. So Legacy Flat Roofing and Sheet Metal, hope you liked it, hope you learned something. Eavestrough cleaning, we'd love to help. Flat roof repair, give us a call. You can find us online at legacyroofs.com. Thank you so much.